Maximum power. The MINI Wallbox powerfully charges your plug-in hybrid or fully electric Mini at home with up to 22 kilowatts. Make sure the Wallbox has been mounted and installed by an authorized electrician. Compact and robust. It can be used outdoor and indoor. Wall mount and cable holder are included. The LED bar of the MINI Wallbox informs you about its status. A permanent yellow light means ready to charge. Plug the charging cable into your vehicle and charging starts automatically. During charging, the status bar breathes slowly in yellow. Ready to go? To release the charging cable, you need to unlock the vehicle first. Unplug the charging cable from your Mini, hang it on the cable holder and plug it back in the MINI Wallbox. Please check the included safety guide for more details. A QR code is available for further information. Last but not least, you will find the login data to use and download the Wallbox service app. The app can be easily paired with Bluetooth. It helps to keep the Wallbox up to date. It provides operational support for configuration, troubleshooting, and to restart your Wallbox if necessary. Additionally, you can adjust the LED brightness and download your charging history. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.